Good afternoon. Thank you for visiting St. John's Infant School. My name is Karina Malcolm Fullwood, and I've been principal here since May 1, 2021.
Okay, so I'm Edely Chambers. I teach Infant 1.
Hi, my name is Charmaine McLeod. I've been working at St. John's Infant for over 5 years. I work in the K1 department.
My name is Kedisha Lauder. I have been working here at the St. John's Infant School since January 2025.
My name is Shalvin Bernard. I am a caregiver at the St. John's Infant School for over 5 years.
This is Colleen McDonald. I've been at St. John's Infant School since 2001.
I am Minia Mackenzie, class 3 teacher. I'm here 10 years and 8 months at St. John's, and I love working here because of the camaraderie and all of that. We get along with our colleagues, family and friends. Because I'm all the way from Little London, so think about it. Thank you.
Welcome to St. John's Infant School.
Being here is a joy to me because I could make some changes. And the school is actually where I would love it to be, but we have a challenge. We need a building. St. John's is the school of choice in Darliston. We have to be sending persons to nearby schools, and trust me, it poses a problem. At St. John's, we have different extracurricular activities. For an infant school, I tend to say St. John's Infant School University, where we have 4-H club and we participate in the seed identification every year. We also have a performing arts club where the students participate in the Jamaica Cultural Development Commission Festival of the Performing Arts every year. Last year, we got a merit award in performing arts in the folk forms. We also received a bronze medal in speech. This year, we received a bronze medal in folk forms doing ring games. We are doing well. We are also the pilot for the Busy Bee. As you know, that's a part of the Scouting Association. So we're the pilot in Region 4. We are now certified by the Early Childhood Commission. That's a great achievement for us here. We work tirelessly to pull this off. So we have achieved 100% in all 12 standards. And I can tell you that it's not just getting the 100%, it's about maintaining that 100%. Our aesthetics is above point. Our literacy, our numeracy is also above point. We are a proud school. We are here and we're here to stay for another 100 years.
Land space for a building. I would really love for us to get at least 3 brand new classrooms that would be sufficient to house the children. We would have to be turning children back when they come. So if we get 3 new classrooms, it would be good for us.
Darliston has many children. St. John's is 112 years old, and so it's a school of choice in Darliston. But when we can't house them, it's really a big deal. They were on the ground. This is a parent-teacher project in collaboration with a church. They came and they put this in so we can have adequate water. So right now we have over 7,000 gallons of water right here. So we're not short. We also get water from the end of the last year, summer, courtesy of the Early Childhood Commission.
So we got a new. All of this was wood, and due to exposure to rain, it started to rot and it was shaking. And so the PTA body came together and they put this together. All of this was done by the PTA. The floors of the bathroom was just mere concrete, and the PTA body tiled the bathroom. So it's now tiled, and there is a solar panel on the roof, so we have solar lights inside. This side is for the girls, this side is for the boys. Okay. We have enough water.
Oftentimes, we as parents are put under so much pressure in choosing a preschool that can be a great way to give your child that strong foundation for learning and social development. But let me tell you something, I was under no pressure when I chose St. John's Infant because I just love their holistic approach. I mean, they focus not only on the academic achievements, but they address all aspects of the child's development, learning that extends beyond the classroom. And I recall, since I've been there going on several field trips with my daughter, I even recall her being involved in the performing arts, group dancing and doing all sorts of activities, even the little mini Miss St. John's. I'm telling you, man, it is not just about academics, it is about creative expression through art, music, and play. Look at even this morning, Pajama and Crocs Day. And anybody who knows me, I am one of those parents who love the excitement, who love fun. And I just believe that for the kindergarten level, the children, should be given these opportunities, and I have to big up St. John's for that. They are doing a good job in ensuring that our children are developed in all aspects, to be able to perform well socially and academically.